What's up, Tang Gang? Gang. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is tana.d, but you can call me Tana or Tan. You can pick. I gave you your options. So today I'll be discussing my favorite hair products and also my opinions and experiences with protective hairstyles. So yes, I'm really excited for that. If you don't already, go follow my Instagram below. Sorry for the lighting. It's really cloudy outside and I normally use my window for natural lighting. Ain't got those studio lights yet. So if it's a little dark, you know why. Also, as you can see, I got my nails done because it was about time. And yeah, I originally wanted them in yellow because pretty sure you guys know by now, but I love yellow. But they didn't have yellow, so I had to get an orange. But orange still looks good. I got it done at my original nail length because, you know, especially doing stuff with my hair and being on my computer for editing videos and stuff like that, I just didn't want my nails to be too long and get in the way. So yeah, but I love them. Hopefully they last. I am pretty sure that is it, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so let's get started. So I have a bunch of my favorite products just lined up here, and I'm going to be showing you guys and explain why and what they do for my hair. So yes, so let's start with my shampoo. My favorite all-time favorite shampoo is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo by Shea Moisture. This shampoo is so moisturizing for my hair. This has been a shampoo that I've been using for years now. This is one of the first Shea Moisture products I ever tried, and it has never once let me down. It fully cleanses my hair, leaves my hair still feeling like it has its natural moisture because it doesn't strip my hair of the moisture, and it's great. It contains shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. Peppermint's really good when it comes to cleansing the scalp and also increasing blood flow, which we all know promotes hair growth. So it feels really nice massaging this into your scalp when you are washing your hair. Also, it contains keratin, which we all know is a protein, and that's where the strengthen comes from, strengthening my hair. So yes, I love it. Also smells good, and it is a clarifying shampoo, so it does both, you know? It contains no sulfates, guys, which is the most important thing because sulfates are not good for our hair, as we know. So yes, the best shampoo. I will probably be using this for the rest of my life. Okay. This, guys, is my favorite deep conditioning mask. I love it so much. It is so thick and moisturizing for my hair that, let me just read what it says on the tub so you guys can fully understand, grasp the concept of how amazing this hair mask is. So this is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with fig and baobab oil. And it is literally what it says it is, intensive hydration. When I use it, my hair feels so moisturized, so soft when I'm done with it, and it just provides that hydration to my hair, which really helps, especially in the winter, like protecting it from environmental influences. It says this intense conditioning deep treatment infuses hair with a powerful dose of moisture and nutrients. Yeah. It smells amazing and it's super thick, like thick. And the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil line for Shea Moisture in general is great. So if you guys want to try that too, I 100% suggest. This, guys, is my favorite protein treatment. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is the only protein treatment I've tried, but I have seen so many other people use this protein treatment and compare it to others and just love it. And when I used it, I loved it also. It was really fast acting. Like, I felt my hair was strengthened immediately after I used it, and I only kept it in for 20 minutes, which is what it says on the tub. So it was great. This is Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Mafura and Baobab oils. So it's a hydrate and repair. So it does have, it's kind of similar to the intensive hydration mask I showed before, but this is more protein. So it still actually leaves my hair feeling moisturized after I used it, but strengthened at the same time. Has the same Manuka honey as the last deep conditioner I showed you. And it is so great. It really gave my hair structure and refreshed my curl pattern. When I did a wash and go with this, I think last week, my curls were just popping. I was actually shocked. Protein treatments are actually something I'm trying right now. I didn't use protein treatments before at all. I didn't really know that I should be using protein treatments, especially because my hair is high porosity. But if your hair is high porosity, even if your hair isn't high porosity, I would suggest including a protein treatment in your hair routine in some way, because it's just going to help strengthen your hair, you know, decrease the amount of breakage you're experiencing, so, and give your hair back that elasticity. That's what this did for me, definitely. My curls were way springier than they were when I hadn't used this. So yes, I'm definitely learning to incorporate this into my hair routine, and I'm going to be using it once a month, because the protein is really gonna help with my high porosity hair and temporarily fill in the gaps in my cuticle, which I really need. Alright guys, so this isn't new news, but my favorite oil is Jamaican black castor oil. Originally, it was introduced to me by a Sally's worker when I was really starting to take care of my hair. I went to Sally's and I asked the worker that I met, hey, what's gonna help my hair grow? And she was like, Jamaican black castor oil. That's the strongest stuff we have in the store for hair growth. So I bought it and I have never stopped using it. It is great. It is pretty thick oil compared to like olive oil or almond oil. So I really like it for my hair, and you don't have to use too much, but it really helps to strengthen and thicken your hair, which I found it did for me almost like after just a few uses. Also helped my hair have natural shine to it. My hair was always really matted before and stuff, and this really helped soften my hair. So I really thank it for that. And I definitely like attribute my hair growth to this oil. I would. I mean, it's not necessarily just like an oil that you can use by itself. You know, you have to have other things in your hair routine. But when I really mastered how to use it for my hair and products that it worked well with, I had reached, guys. I had reached. This is my favorite leave-in. This was also one of the first leave-ins I ever tried. When I started trying to grow out my hair, I literally bought Jamaican black castor oil and every Jamaican black castor oil product from Shea Moisture in that line. So this is also part of the Strengthen and Restore line by Shea Moisture. I find this leave-in conditioner never lets me down. It's so moisturizing, so creamy. Like, it's one of those creamy leave-in conditioners. It's not like a milky leave-in conditioner. So it really works for my hair. My hair being high porosity needs those thicker products to be able to actually retain the moisture that I put into my hair. So this definitely does the job for me. It smells good, and like, I don't really know what else to say. It's a leave-in conditioner. It does the job of a leave-in conditioner. I've tried other ones, but I don't like any of them as much as I like this one. And last but definitely not least, my DIY flaxseed gel, guys. I have fallen in love with the curling gel. And I know, said I didn't like gels, but I just hadn't found the right one. I had not found the right gel, and this is the one, guys. I kid you not, I tried this for the first time last week after I used my protein treatment, and I put this in my hair. My curls were defined like they have never been before, and I was very generous with the amount that I used on my hair. And after a while, like, I feel like my hair just absorbed it, like absorbed the gel. So I was left with no flakes, like none of that crunch that I would get from using other gels that I've tried in the past. And it was DIY, really easy to make. I followed Natural 85's DIY Flaxseed Gel video, so I will link that below so that you guys can see it. It is so incredibly moisturizing. Like, after using it on my hair, my hands felt so soft. Like, it was just like my hands felt so soft. So imagine what it's doing for your hair, guys. Like, this is really good. I definitely 100% recommend flaxseed gel, and it's so easy to make. Like, it's so easy to make. So I'm going to be using this a lot more. You are going to see it in future videos because I am doing a DIY wash day next week. All right, now to talk about my opinions and experiences with protective hair styling and what I find works for me and what doesn't. So a lot of people say that, oh my goodness, you need like protective hairstyling to grow your hair. But I think it depends on like what you're talking about in terms of protective hairstyling, because if you just put like box braids in one category, like some box braids that I've seen or like that I've even had on my head, if you do your hair and your hair like is hurting, like your scalp is hurting from doing your hair, that hair's probably a bit too tight, and that is doing more harm than good in terms of being a protective hairstyle. So if you are going to do stuff like box braids and stuff, you're trying to achieve length retention through low manipulation and just leaving your hair in that state, make sure that you're not actually pulling out your edges and causing more breakage, because that kind of defeats the whole purpose. You feel me? I feel like for me personally, protective styles I would prefer to do with my own hair for now, until I get my hair to a length and thickness that I want. The reason why I say that is because when my hair is in box braids or twists or anything like that with extensions, I forget it's there. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna be completely honest, that is a weakness of mine. I don't look after my hair in protective styles. That's a big key thing that you need to do. If you want length retention from your protective styles, you need to take care of your hair while it is in that protective style. You cannot just forget about it, not be giving it any moisture, any nutrients, stuff like that. Like, you need to take care of your hair when it's in a protective hairstyle. I'm really bad at that, so I'm just gonna stay away from extensions for now, for a while, and see how my hair likes that better. Right now in summer, I can have my hair out. It's fine, like my hair isn't breaking. I have very, very minimal breakage by this point. I've had my hair out for a little over 2 months, and it's more like shedding. Like, hair is supposed to shed. My hair isn't really breaking anymore, but anytime that I use extensions or get braids done or anything like that, my hair breaks. And I'm talking about I will lose like a whole handful of hair. My hair will still grow, but I've lost that hair. Like, that's supposed to be hair on my head. I've lost that from the growth, if that makes sense. So just gonna stay away from it for now, see how it works. In winter, when it's cold, I live in Canada and we get temperatures of like -30 degrees Celsius. And if you haven't felt that before, let me tell you, that is cold weather. I'm from England and we don't get that in England at all. Like, when I moved here, it was a shock to the system. I will not lie to you. So hair isn't supposed to handle those kinds of temperatures, well, natural hair anyway, and it will break big time. So I'm going to definitely work on protecting my hair in the winter, but you can do protective hairstyles on your own hair, so that's what I'm going to be doing still giving my hair the attention that it needs. I'm really interested to know what you guys think and your opinions on protective hairstyling, because I know some naturals are like die hard, like protective hairstyles to grow. Like this is what you need, protective hairstyles to grow. And I don't feel like I'm that person. I low manipulation 100%, but like you can do that without protective hairstyling. You know, as long as you're not running a comb through your hair every day, like stuff like that. That's why I will wash and go. Right now, my wash and go only lasts like 2 days because my hair loves to frizz. So after that, I'll probably put it in like a high puff or like twist it to stretch it or whatever and just leave it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any new video ideas, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear you guys' ideas for stuff I should do, because I'm always looking for new video ideas. Always. It will be highly, highly appreciated. If you guys have like any questions, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, tana.d haircare, to see what I do for my hair to grow. And I'm just really excited for you guys to be on this journey with me, because as you guys know, like my hair isn't like super long. If we like compare it to other hair influencers on YouTube, my hair isn't super long, but I want you guys to follow me on this journey and like see what works for my hair and what doesn't, and what is producing the most length retention, moisture retention. So that is what this is all about. That's what it's all about when you join the Tan Gang. Feel me? So join the Tan Gang, click that subscribe button, smack that notification bell so that you guys know when I release new videos. You guys can stay on track, stay in sync. Stay tuned. Next week, as I mentioned before, I will be doing a DIY wash day, so I'm really excited for you guys to see that. I will be posting more than one video because I'll have like a recipes video and then me actually using it on my head. It would be a really long video if I put them together. So stay tuned for that. Really excited for you guys to see that. And yes, see you guys in the next video.